Hey friends, if you encounter VPN error 721, the remote computer is not responding, then please watch this video. Now I'll tell you the real reason behind it. Basically, VPN is not a very legal software. It does not allow tracing of your IP. Many companies do not allow it. Now, if you are encountering it on a home computer, then you can disable the firewall temporarily while you're using the VPN. So search for Windows Defender Firewall in the Windows search bar and open it. Click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, turn it off, click on OK and save the settings. But if you are using it on a company network, then don't do it even by mistake. You won't even be able to do it. You will have to contact the IT administrator of the company because it will be against the company's policies. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.